Hello! In front of me I have Blackview R3 Max and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HardReset application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HardReset application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon, and here you should see R3 Max on the device page. Now scroll down and find the option called Smart Alarm Clock. Tap on it, and here we can tap on Add To, and we can set up our alarm. We can name it. We can tap on time and adjust the time on which the alarm should go off. Then tap on confirm. Then we have the period, and here we can select how often the alarm should repeat. And we have statutory working day, so basically Monday to Friday, then every day, then customize, and you can select specific days if you want to. So basically how it works is, if you select the first option, it will go on every weekday, go off on every weekday. If you select every day, it will go off on every day. And if you select customize and select, for example, Monday and Wednesday, it will go off only on those days. And then tap on checkmark to confirm. And here you can turn it off and on. You can add more if you want to. Like this. And you can remove the alarms by tapping on delete, selecting the alarm you want to remove and tapping on delete. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.